How to craft effective Facebook ad copy that converts. There is no question that Facebook ads can work highly effectively. This has been proven time and again by countless marketers who have used the platform to form the backbone of their campaigns. But while Facebook ads can work, they don't always. Whether or not they work in practice, you see, all comes down to how well the campaign has been designed, how targeted the ads are, and how well written the copy is. In this presentation, you'll learn how to handle the latter aspect of your campaign. Highly converting ad copy. The key to good Facebook ad copy is to be highly efficient with your choice of words. You need to not only grab attention, but also persuade your audience in a very limited word budget. But at the same time, you also need to recognize that the key isn't just to get clicks. In fact, good Facebook ad copy should reject some visitors in order to avoid paying for clicks that won't go on to convert. You do this by being highly honest and trusting that the right person is going to click. The specifics. Your headline, then, should be the part that grabs attention. But right away, you need to grab the attention of the right person. You can do this, for instance, with a rhetorical question. Are you trying to lose weight for summer? Or do you love martial arts movies? This question instantly grabs attention because the audience is being spoken to, and it qualifies who the ad is and isn't targeted at. In the text itself, your aim is to follow up on this, and that is where the actual persuasion takes place. Here, your aim is to try to outline the tangible benefits that come from using your product or service. But more importantly, you should describe the emotional benefits. For example, say goodbye to that stomach, or feel more confident in your clothes. For the martial arts products, your emotional hook might be the most incredible badass action ever in a movie. You can then either A, encourage a click-through by using a little mystery to pique the viewer's interest, or B, qualify your audience even more by warning that this is a paid product and those looking for something free need not click. This will likely depend on your objectives and your budget, which are considerations that should weigh into every decision you make as you design your ads.